A bill banning abortion based on a diagnosis of Down syndrome is making its way through the Ohio House tonight. Similar legislation is also being introduced in the Senate. NBC4's Courtney Yoon is live from the State House with more on this controversial issue. Courtney?
Ellie, we heard over an hour of an opponent testimony today in the Ohio House Health Committee. Physicians, parents, and pro-choice advocates voiced their concerns on why House Bill 214 should not become law.
It's imperative in Ohio that we create a culture of life, and this bill would prohibit an abortion based on the diagnosis of a Down syndrome.
House Bill 214 is co-sponsored by Representative Derek Merrin. The legislation states that no person should perform an abortion if they have knowledge that the woman seeking it is doing it in part or because of a Down syndrome diagnosis. The penalty is a fourth-degree felony and a physician's license will be revoked. The mother of the unborn child would not face any charges.
We are standing up for the Down syndrome community, saying that their lives matter, their lives should be valued, and as a state, we're going to provide them with the appropriate legal protections.
But today, some physicians argued this bill undermines the trust and open communication between women and their doctors.
Essentially, this bill creates a don't ask, don't tell relationship between the doctor and the patient, which is frankly a complete reversal of what the relationship should be.
NARAL Pro-Choice Ohio Deputy Director Jamie Miracle says the bill is unconstitutional.
It's a ban on abortion, and that's really all it is. They can, clothe it in whatever they want individually in each bill, but this bill is about banning abortion in Ohio and making it harder to get access to services that women need.
Coming up at 6 tonight, we hear from a mother who has a daughter with Down syndrome and what she has to say about this bill. Live at the State House, Courtney Yoon, NBC4.